What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore WhatsApp chats from a backup on your iPhone. Restoring your WhatsApp chats can be crucial, especially if you've switched to a new iPhone or have to reinstall WhatsApp for any reason. It ensures that you don't lose your important conversations, photos, videos, and documents shared over WhatsApp. First, it's important to have a complete backup of your WhatsApp chats before you can restore them. To create a backup, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner. From there, go to Chats, then Chat Backup, and finally tap on Backup Now. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your chat history and the speed of your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and to speed up the backup process. After you've successfully created a backup, you can restore your chats on a new device or after reinstalling WhatsApp on your current device. The restoration process can only be initiated when you're setting up WhatsApp for the first time. So, if WhatsApp is already installed on your iPhone, you need to delete and reinstall it. Make sure to do this cautiously, as it will temporarily remove WhatsApp from your device. Once you reinstall WhatsApp and open it to log into another device, you'll be prompted to log in with your phone number. After logging in, WhatsApp will automatically search for any backups associated with your phone number. After it finds a backup, you'll be prompted to restore your chats and media from the backup. Tap Restore and give it some time to complete the process. The duration of the restoration depends on the size of the backup and the speed of your internet connection. After the restoration is complete, tap Next, and your chats will be displayed as they were at the time of the last backup. All your messages, along with any shared media, will be restored and accessible once again. Restoring WhatsApp chats from a backup is a straightforward process that ensures you never lose your valuable conversations and memories shared on the app. Whether you're migrating to a new iPhone or troubleshooting issues with the app, this process is invaluable. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.